Today we are making two Southern fan favorites. The first one is jalapeno poppers. You just need to grab those jalapenos. They can be red, they can be green. You're going to wash those, you're going to wear gloves, you're going to cut them in half, remove the seeds, you're going to stuff them with cream cheese, then you're going to wrap these in bacon. You're going to put them in a parchment-lined baking sheet, and you're going to bake them at 400 for roughly 40 minutes. Just watch your time. They're going to come out delicious. You can put them on the grill to cook them if you want. Very, very popular in the South and with folks who love that creamy, hot, bacony, cheesy goodness. Jalapeno poppers. Let's make some fried okra, Southern fried goodness found only in the South in the summer. You are going to need my second cookbook, Supper's Ready, Let's Eat. You can find that cookbook over at heritageways.com if you want this recipe in print, along with so many of my other popular recipes. You're going to get that okra, you're going to pick it and wash it and slice it. You're going to put it in a pan. You're going to top it with plain cornmeal. You're going to use cast iron, of course. You're going to put your bacon grease or your lard or your coconut oil or your frying oil of choice. You're going to put it in that cast iron pan. You're going to cover that okra with some cornmeal and with some good healthy salt. And then you're going to stir that all up. You're going to get that oil hot and you're going to fry that okra crispy. Be careful not to burn it. Be careful not to cook it too fast or too hot. And I think you're going to love this. We like just popping it, eating it like popcorn at our house in the summertime. Nothing beats Southern fried okra. This and other recipes are in my second cookbook, Supper's Ready, Let's Eat, which at the time of this taping, we have limited copies. So get yours at heritageways.com general store. I hope you're counting your blessings. Okra, fried okra, that is definitely one of our blessings.